Hi guys, I'm just making a short video about Microsoft Excel. My name is Romi. Just a bit of background about myself. I used to work in recruitment in the city and now I currently work as a management accountant. So when it comes to Excel, some people wonder, they ponder. They ponder about which formulas they need to be able to memorize and so forth. Well, the truth is you don't have to memorize any formulas. You just need to know what Microsoft Excel is capable of. You have Google and YouTube to memorize the formulas for you. So once you know what Excel is capable of and you want to apply any neat tip or trick, just go onto Google, type it in. So what do I mean by what Excel is capable of? So you should know that you can fill in thousands of cells automatically with the correct data using a VLOOKUP. That's one example. That being said, so from my experience of working in recruitment, I am aware that recruiters in the financial industry do look for certain Excel skills and tricks on a resume, and these are number one, VLOOKUPs, and number two, pivot tables. So if you do have experience with VLOOKUPs and pivot tables, ensure you put these onto your resume. This should help you get employed or seek the employment you're looking for, whatever. So I hope that clears up any confusion about Excel if you're starting out in your financial career or accounting career or insurance career. If you're experienced, you already knew that, so you don't have to watch the video anyway. But alright.